Hello guys and welcome back to EV with Rafiq. So today we are here at High Tech Expo. We came to visit the EV Trade Expo which is going on behind me. Let's go in and check out what's gonna happen inside. So here we are at Eto's stall. Let's know about the company and the vehicles they offer. So let's get to know about all of those.
Yeah.
So yes sir. Hi sir.
Yeah,
Can you
hi.
please say about the company and the vehicles?
Yes. Hi. First of all, we are very happy that you are here.
Thank you, sir.
And we are even proud that we are a company which is born out of Telangana, Hyderabad, and spreading our wings across the country and the world.
Great.
Eto Motors is a 360-degree, I would say, electric mobility solution provider, where we are a combination of three solutions.
Okay.
We are a manufacturer. We manufacture vehicles. Our factory is just an hour's drive from Hyderabad.
Oh, nice.
And then number two, we are also a fleet operator. We deploy our vehicles at customers such as Amazon, Big Basket, Grofers, etc.
Nice,
So
yeah.
if at all you are in Hyderabad and you have ordered, don't be surprised that your deliveries would have happened through our EVs, because close to 150 vehicles are running on Hyderabad roads.
Nice,
And
yeah.
lastly, we are also a charging infrastructure provider.
Okay,
Where
this looks
if you
like
look
this
at them,
good-
yes,
good one, yeah.
right? These are for two-wheelers and three-wheelers.
Okay. So, like the vehicle models here, I can see are autos and the carrier auto. Can you say about those models, sir?
So we have in total two major variants.
Okay.
One is the passenger variant, other one is the cargo variant.
Cargo variant.
Passenger variant, we call it as Trilux, which means luxury on three wheels.
Great
Right?
name, sir.
Why? Because if you look at the vehicle and the build of it,
Yeah.
for the first time we built the entire vehicle with the driver as the center of the universe. That is why we have given a four-wheeler car-like features into a three-wheeler.
To the driver's seat. And
Yes.
sir.
Look at it. The seat is a bucket seat with an adjustable module and a neck rest and a backrest along with a seat belt. Then we are
Great
talking
safety for the drivers. sir.
Exactly. And not just for the drivers, even for the passengers, if you see,
Yeah.
these seats are more like car seats,
Yeah.
along with again the seat belts. That is again for the safety of the
Great.
passengers.
Sir. So, what's the range of the?
The vehicle runs up to around 100 kilometers on a full charge.
Great, sir. So, like, what's the price of this vehicle, sir?
This vehicle is priced at around 3.3 lakh rupees.
Okay. So, like the warranty and everything, sir.
So the vehicle comes with no questions asked warranty for about 3 years.
No questions asked.
No questions asked.
Anything may happen.
Yes, except for the accidents, of
Yeah.
course.
No, I mean, like technical damages.
Technical
yeah,
damages,
technical
technical
damages.
things, anything happen,
Yeah.
we take care.
Great.
And on the battery, we give further 1 year extended warranty of 4 years.
Okay, great, sir. For the passenger, for the carrier vehicle, sir.
So the cargo vehicle also almost remains the same, but then there are some fantastic features which we have given for the first time in a three-wheeler. For example, that vehicle comes with a rear view camera. So the
Oh,
driver,
for the reverse and
yeah,
everything,
when the vehicle
yeah.
goes reverse, the driver can see the entire thing right there.
Great, sir,
And
yeah. Mm-hmm.
also, if you look at the wheels, we are talking about a 13-inch four-wheeler wheels, not a 9-inch three-wheeler wheels. And then the vehicle
take a
also
more load and it
more
will be
load.
good, yeah.
And look at the suspension, right? We
Yes,
are talking
it is
about a
very
spring
high.
and
Yes,
dampener
correct,
suspension,
yes,
and then the braking system.
Great.
It is disc brakes in the front and then drum brakes in the rear.
Great, sir. So, what's the loading capacity of the?
The loading capacity of that container is around 550 kgs, as
for
limited by the
like
government.
for the delivery of all the parcels and
more
everything,
than
it is like
sufficient.
more than
More than
sufficient, sir.
sufficient.
For every day, for the like Amazon,
Yes.
for Flipkart, for like
Yes.
day-to-day users.
Yes.
If you even consider vegetable vendors or anyone, it's like more than sufficient for all of those, like for the day-to-day use, and they can save a lot on that.
Correct, you're right.
Great, sir. Great product, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
So this is the Atom station over here, and we have already reviewed the Atom vehicle and the store with a customer review also. So check out the video; it will be over here. And next up, coming up over here, they have a beautiful stall located over here. They have a charging station over here. Then the vehicles you can see over here, and there's a battery pack also in the below to check out. So do visit the place. Good afternoon. So sir, Joule Power గురించి చెప్పండి సార్. జాయిల్ పాయింట్ ఏంటి ఎలా ఎక్కడ ఉంది స్టార్ట్అప్ ఇది కొంచెం దాని గురించి చెప్తారా?
Dual Point is started in last year November.
ఓకే సార్.
So we are going to complete 1 year next month.
ఓకే వండర్ఫుల్ సార్.
And we have the service provided for the complete solution for the charger electrical vehicle charging systems.
Okay, sir.
So we have our own app, we have our own manufacturing setup,
Okay.
and we have the manufacturing for the DC fast chargers and AC chargers. And two-wheelers will be getting next few months. We are getting it is in our R&D stage. We are going to market with the marketing launching next coming 2-3 months.
Okay. So, sir, if anyone wants to take the do the charging and everything, they have to go to the app, log in, and install and do, sir.
Like Uber, how you select the Uber? Similarly, we have the app is already in iOS.
Okay.
And Android, there is some validation of the system is going on.
Okay.
That completes Play Store. It will come in Android also.
It will be available in Android very soon.
Really soon.
Yes, sir.
So just you can open and you can register your mobile number anywhere in our charging station. You can open. There is a two options. It will be kilowatt. You can select like kilowatt charging or per rupees.
Okay.
Like you want 10 kilowatt charging, you can select kilowatts.
Okay.
So
Or if
10
someone
kilowatt.
wants 100 100 rupees charging.
Select 100 rupees engine charging, system will start charging. Once 100 comes, you will get the bill also, GST immediately.
Okay, sir.
You will get generation how much, you can see the display in the even app also, you see how much charging is going on.
Okay.
20 kilowatts,
Okay.
1 hour. It depends on, we have the variation range from 20 kilowatts to 240 kilowatts.
Okay, like different
Models.
Okay, sir.
So normally we have vehicles 3-4 models in India.
Yes.
Tata Nexon is 30 kilowatts.
Yes.
So if you install 30 kilowatt charger, it will 1 hour it will charge 40 to 50 minutes. Like
So
if you go,
almost from 0 to 80 can go up to 80% within 1 hour.
normally nobody will go zero, no?
Yeah,
Because
nobody will
normally so 20 to 90 normally we calculate.
Yes, sir,
Because
20 to 90.
anybody 10-50% they will go for charging.
Yes.
And 90% they will, depends on time situation they will go.
Correct, sir.
So it will be 20 to 90, it will be 40 minutes maximum.
Okay, sir. Great, sir. So in Hyderabad, where all do you have the setup in Telangana, sir? Like where all are the charging points? Can you say?
Shemshabad we have on the commercial point. We have Anutex. Anutex, Kottapeta and Yesrao Nagar we have already installed, is running. And Chaudupal Highway 9 hotel we have already installed.
Okay, sir.
And Max showroom in Vasalipuram.
Okay,
In
great.
total we have 30 and already we supplied 10 numbers in Maharashtra, yet to install.
Okay. So the startup is spreading. It's all over, going all over the across. It's great, sir. Great, sir. Thank you. So here we are at MG booth. Let's talk about the vehicle and get to know about it. So hi, sir. Can you please explain about the vehicle?
So hello everyone, this is MG ZS EV.
Okay.
So there are two models variants in this. One is Excite and one is Exclusive. Excite is the base model, whereas Exclusive is the top end variant.
Okay, sir.
So the battery is 44.5 kilowatts.
Okay.
The company claim of range is 419.
419.
419. Whereas customer feedback we are getting a minimum of 330 to 350.
Oh, okay. That's good, sir.
So there are three types of chargers available. One is the domestic one, which it's basically like a fast charger, which is available around 45 locations in Hyderabad city.
Okay. So with the vehicle, do you provide a charger, sir?
Yes, we do provide two chargers. One is wall-mounted charger, which is provided by MG itself, so you don't have to pay anything for that.
With the vehicle, we'll get with the vehicle.
With the vehicle, you will get that. And there is another one which is like an emergency charger, similar to a laptop charger. So you can use it anywhere with a 3-pin plug. And
Okay, like 5 amp socket, we can place it and we can. Oh yeah, sorry, 15 amp socket, we can place it and we can use it.
Yes.
So coming to the range, we got the range. So what's the time for the charging of this vehicle,
A
sir?
fast charger will take somewhere around 40 to 50 minutes for 80% of the charge.
Great. Within 50 minutes, I can almost
Yeah,
80% I can charge it.
You can charge almost 85.
When normal charger?
Wall-mounted charger will take you somewhere around 6 to 8 hours. 0 to 100 in 6 to 8 hours.
Okay, sir. So, sir, if we are charging instead of MG chargers, if we are using some other chargers like which are available in the market, can we use those chargers?
There are some particular chargers. So there's one company, actually two. One is Tata Energy.
Yeah.
We can use their chargers. Basically, this is a Type 2 charging socket.
Yes.
So basically, you can use Fortum as well. We are tied up with Fortum. So while buying the vehicle, after you'll get an application where you can see where are the chargers available around the city.
Okay, great.
And it's not like just the city. Even if you're traveling to Vizag or Bangalore, there are a few locations
Where we can find
you
the charging
charge it.
points. Yeah.
And you can easily travel to intercity or something interstate as well. So there's no issue.
So, yeah, what's the warranty of the vehicle and the battery pack, sir?
So for the battery, it's 8 years, 1,50,000 kilometers. Whereas coming to the vehicle, we have 5 years, unlimited warranty on motor.
Okay, unlimited warranty on the motor for the yeah. So here we are at EVRE. Let's talk about what's the place and what's the booth about. Let's talk about them. Okay. Hi, sir. Can you explain us what is the place about this?
Yeah, hi. We are actually a EV charger manufacturer. We manufacture AC EV chargers. So we have a couple of chargers which are displayed here. So our chargers are capable of putting out a charge from 3.3 kilowatts, which is actually essentially a 16 amp 3-pin socket, and they go up to 22 kilowatts.
Okay, for the two-wheelers and everything, we can use that easily.
Yes, so the 3-pin socket is actually ideally compatible with any kind of an electric vehicle,
yeah.
2, 3 or 4-wheeler.
Okay.
Whereas this charger is a Type 2 charger which is compatible with the 4-wheelers.
Okay.
So predominantly all the 4-wheelers which are available today in the market, including Tata,
Hyundai Kona,
Nexon, Hyundai,
yes,
everything, even up to Mercedes EQC or Jaguar I-Pace or even the new one, Volvo XC90 PHEV. These are all
support
compatible.
everything.
Yes.
Great, sir. Great.
Yeah.
And
The third charger is ideally, this is the Bharat AC001.
Okay.
This is capable of charging 3 vehicles simultaneously at a maximum output of 3.3 kilowatts. So these are
Okay.
all 16 amp industrial sockets.
1600 millimeters.
Yes.
Okay. So where all are the stations available right now in the city, sir?
So right now we have a couple of hubs. One is in Jubilee Hills and the other one is in LB Nagar. We are trying to make a few more hubs around, but we are currently present in around 12 cities.
12 cities. Okay, sir.
Yes. So it's like Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Chennai,
So,
Coimbatore.
almost all across India you are available,
Yes,
sir. Great.
Bangalore.
So we should register to the app, or is there something else way?
So the way we work is ideally we create infrastructure. Yes, we do have a mobile app on which a user can actually register, through which you can actually find the nearest EV station.
Okay.
The app will also navigate you to the TV station.
Oh, great.
And-
So it will automatically redirect my way wherever I am.
Yes.
Great.
And then once you are at the station, you can scan the QR code which is available on the charger to user authenticate. Then you can start the session from your app. Once the session is completed, the charger will send out the utilization report and the invoice for the billing for
billing
the
process and
consumption. You can also make the payment through the integrated payment wallet which you have on the app.
Okay.
So everything is through the mobile app.
So sir, we have to like select the amount, or we have to select how many watts of current, kilowatts
There
of
are a
current?
couple of options available on the app. You can either choose the number of units you want to put into the vehicle or a full charge.
Okay.
We are trying to build in more number of options in the app right now.
Great.
But yes, based on that, the charger will take care of how much power to be delivered to the vehicle.
Great, sir. Great. Thank you so much, sir. So here we are at Ingo booth. So let's talk to the ma'am and let's know what are the vehicles they are available and about the company. So hi ma'am. So can you please say about the company, please?
Hello, welcome to Ingo Electric Private and Limited. So this is based in Bangalore.
Okay.
So we have right now are the three electric bikes. So this is the standing. This is the standing electric bike, mini standing electric bike. That is a mini seated electric bike, and this is flea. So this the major is this one. So this carries the load of around 250.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. 250.
Yeah, 250. So here in the front seat it's around 80 kgs, 20 to 25 here, and the remaining will be here.
Load over here.
Yeah,
Great.
everything.
Yes.
So it's very easy and convenient to travel and carry your luggage if you're trying to. And this cost around 52,000.
52,000.
Yeah, 37,000
37.
mini seated one, and mini 32.
Okay.
That's 32, and this is 27.
27.
Yeah,
So like what's the range of this vehicle, ma'am?
this is 52,000.
Range like kilometers. How many kilometers?
50 kilometers, and you need to charge this for 3 hours.
3 hours. That's
Yeah, so here we have switch on and off.
Okay.
So once you on, this is how
I know.
so this is how this works.
Okay,
Accelerator.
great.
And the very best part of this is we even have the reverse for it. Usually in Activa or other vehicles, when you drive, you don't find this option, right?
Correct, ma'am, yeah.
So we have the reverse gear for this, right? Not gear in the sense like we have a reverse option to this.
It will be majorly useful
Yeah.
for people like who carry a lot of load and everywhere city
Absolutely,
traveling. For
absolutely.
them, it's best, like perfect
Yeah.
vehicle for them.
So we even have this the
Headlights and everything. Yeah, LED light
headlights.
bar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
And
That's a stadium
yeah.
bar. Yes, ma'am.
And these are the
Indicators. Great.
And the battery is here. This is the
Okay.
battery button.
Okay.
And this is the USB cable that of the bike.
Okay.
USB cable from where you can
Charge
connect
up
it.
with
Yeah.
our phone and everything. Yeah.
So here is the battery.
Oh, okay. Great, ma'am. So okay.
So we have batteries that we have.
So if you want, we can take them in the home and
Depending
sell
on
it
the
in people.
charges, we have
Okay.
3 variants for this.
Okay.
So this is of 52,000 because we can remove the battery and charge it.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah.
Nice. Great.
So this is all about our products and the electric bikes we have.
Right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It's a great product over here.
Thank you so much.
So, hi, sir. Can you please say about the company and about the product you have over here?
So we are helping companies set up manufacturing of battery packs using recycled plastic.
Great. The outer body of the battery pack
Battery
made
pack
of
is made of recycled plastic.
Great,
And we
sir.
are one of the first companies to have a fully made in India battery pack.
Oh, great, sir. Great. nice, huh? And so, like, in all the battery packs you deal, or you're helping set up the factories or like places and everything?
So we have the number of applications. We have more than 15 applications.
Okay.
You can go from solar, defense, inverter, electric vehicle.
Okay.
Multiple applications.
Okay.
The idea is to make the lithium-ion battery pack very, very affordable and accessible.
Accessible, right? Great, sir. So you deal in lithium ion and lithium ferrophosphate, everything.
Yes, yes.
Great, sir. So if some dealer has to contact you and make a setup plan, what's the process of contacting the people?
You can just simply shoot us an email.
Yeah.
You can put the details in the description.
Okay.
Or you can Google our company's name and write to us on our website as well.
Okay, great, sir. Great.
So along with that, we're also manufacturing electric vehicles and charging stations.
Okay.
Uh,
This one, sir.
Yes. So the idea is to help people make money, right?
Great, yeah.
So the charging stations allows you to make money at home while you sleep. And if you are a little hardworking and you want to work, the electric scooter helps you make money while you move around. So we have partnerships with a number of vendors, and there are electric scooters are used for delivery.
Okay, great, sir. Great, bro.
Thank you.
So this can be installed in an apartment or in anywhere, like in a
so
commercial space.
This is the most affordable charging station in India.
Great.
If you find any charging station cheaper than this, we are refunding double the difference. Right?
You are giving a huge margin, sir, over here. Like
Yes.
you are saying double the difference you'll give back if it is more cheaper than this.
Yes.
Great, sir. So how to use it? So they have to scan the barcode.
You can just simply scan the barcode
Okay.
and plug in your vehicle. It's a prepaid system. You can load the cash onto the app
Okay.
or onto the website depending on how you want to use it. And the vehicle will start. It will automatically cut off.
Okay.
The moment your battery is full, it will cut off. If you have set it for 15 minutes, it will cut off.
Okay.
And it has all the protection to protect your vehicle in any way.
Overcharge and undercharge, everything
Yes,
will be
yes,
protected.
yes.
Great, sir. Great company, sir. Great initiative which you have taken up. Thank you.